Chia seeds are often called a superfood. People add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, even water, but here's something most people don't realize. Eating chia seeds the wrong way can actually cause digestive problems instead of benefits. The truth is that chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, and if you don't prepare them properly, your body may struggle to digest them. So in this video, we're going to break down the best ways to eat chia seeds, the mistakes most people make, and how to get the maximum health benefits. First, let's understand why chia seeds are so popular. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons contain fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants. The fiber in chia seeds is especially powerful. It helps support digestion, stabilize blood sugar, promote fullness, feed healthy gut bacteria. But the key to unlocking these benefits is hydration. When chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like texture that becomes much easier for your body to digest. That's why the way you prepare them matters so much. The biggest mistake people make with chia seeds is eating them dry. Some people sprinkle dry chia seeds directly onto food or swallow them with water, but once chia seeds reach the stomach, they continue absorbing liquid. This can sometimes lead to bloating, stomach discomfort, digestive irritation. In rare cases, dry chia seeds can even swell before reaching the stomach if eaten improperly. That's why many nutrition experts recommend soaking chia seeds first. This simple step makes them easier to digest and allows your body to absorb their nutrients more effectively. One of the simplest ways to prepare chia seeds is by soaking them in liquid. Here's a basic method. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water, then stir well and let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture. Once hydrated, they become soft and much easier for your digestive system to handle. You can also prepare chia gel in advance. Simply mix 1 4-cup chia seeds, 1 cup water, store it in the refrigerator and use it throughout the week. This gel can be added to many foods. Now let's talk about some of the best ways to include chia seeds in your diet. 1. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is one of the most popular ways to eat chia seeds. Just mix 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, almond, coconut, or dairy. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, it forms a creamy pudding. You can add berries, nuts, cinnamon, honey. This makes a healthy breakfast or snack. 2. Smoothies. Chia seeds blend easily into smoothies. Add 1 tablespoon to your smoothie with fruits like banana, berries, mango. The chia seeds increase fiber and make the smoothie more filling. 3. Yogurt bowls. Another simple option is mixing chia seeds into yogurt. The seeds absorb moisture and add a slight crunch. Combine with fresh fruit, granola, nuts. This creates a balanced snack rich in protein and fiber. 4. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are another excellent way to use chia seeds. Mix oats, milk, chia seeds, fruit. Leave in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, everything becomes soft and ready to eat. Even healthy foods should be eaten in moderation. Most nutrition experts recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Because chia seeds contain a lot of fiber, eating too many too quickly can cause bloating, gas, digestive discomfort. If you're new to chia seeds, start with 1 tablespoon and gradually increase your intake. And always remember to drink enough water when consuming fiber-rich foods. Chia seeds can be eaten at different times of the day depending on your goals. In the morning, they can provide sustained energy and help keep you full longer. Before meals, they may help control appetite because the fiber expands in the stomach. Some people also enjoy chia seeds in the evening, especially in chia pudding, as a light and nutritious snack. The most important thing is consistency. Adding chia seeds regularly to a balanced diet can support overall health. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your diet. When prepared properly, they can support digestion, heart health, blood sugar balance, and overall wellness. Just remember these 3 key tips. Soak them before eating. Start with small amounts, add them to foods you already enjoy. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health. And if you want to learn about more natural foods that support your body, check out the next video on Aneya Healthy Quick Tips, because the best medicine is often found in the foods we eat. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.